Hello everyone, in this video I'll talk about tooth extraction aftercare instructions. Please watch the video till the end. Bite on the gauze piece for about 30 minutes. This will help in the formation of the blood clot and prevent bleeding after the tooth extraction. Avoid spitting or vigorous rinsing for at least 24 hours after the extraction of tooth. Consume soft and fluid diet for at least 24 hours post-extraction. Avoid hard and hot food and drinks for at least 24 hours after the extraction of the tooth. Avoid smoking or tobacco consumption for at least 24 hours after tooth extraction. Take the medications as prescribed. Do not modify the medications or apply any topical agent. Brushing can be done away from the extraction site after extraction. You may resume your normal oral hygiene practices 24 hours after the extraction of tooth. After 24 hours, rinse the oral cavity with warm saline water 2 to 3 times a day, at least for a week. Have some rest for at least 8 to 12 hours after the extraction of tooth. See your doctor for post-extraction follow-up or contact him in case of any query. Hope you found this video useful. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please visit our website, that is www.dentaleducationhub.com.